Restoring the significant loss of power that occurs when one is brought up according to our culture is the first major step to restoring your personal primal energy power. I will teach you how to do that, and then, once you're properly educated about how our human power and energy work, we will look into the nature and remediation of illnesses of all kinds and how they manifest due to misuse of power, and then we will apply the laws of power to relationships of all kinds: family, friends, romantic relationships, marriage, sexuality, work relationships, and all the rest. In this course, you will have the opportunity to become reunited with your primal energy and full power. And from there, you can begin to live a life of power. Because this knowledge is so potent, rich, and transformative, it cannot be offered lightly. This quintessential gift of life must only be given in such a way as it truly roots the principles and applications of power and energy in your life. This requires assimilation, reflection, and practice. I cannot confer it to you in a weekend or even in a week or a month. It has to be absorbed deep in your psyche until it becomes your instinctual point of reference, your new dwelling place. And that takes time. This is why this is a year-long course, and why the teachings are spaced out by 2 weeks in a bi-monthly pattern. So you have the requisite time to anchor and own the knowledge before the next rush of knowledge is imparted. It's time to live and create moment to moment from your power. All the things you may be wishing for, like radiant health, success, a beautiful body, happy relationships, a beautiful home, endless creativity, all become available to you when you can sync up with the fullness of your primal energy and then learn to use it skillfully. It's now time for some of you to learn how to do this, how to operate from real power. And it's time now for me to teach some of you. I'm energized by this confluence of our destinies, and I'm very much ready and excited for what awaits us all as we come together for this noble purpose, which I can assure you will be more gratifying than you can imagine. Come spend a year with me and restore any energy and power you may have leaked in your life's journey, so you can be a positive powerhouse in every way you wish to be. Until then, all love and joy to everyone watching, and I hope we can spend the year together.